Imagine sinking into warmth that feels like pure heaven. This isn't just a throw blanket, it's an experience of luxury, comfort, and handcrafted American style you can feel. Meet the faux fur luxury throw crafted right here in the USA. Every stitch, every fiber screams elegance. This isn't mass-produced. It's made with precision and passion by skilled artisans who know comfort better than anyone. Perfect for chilly nights, Netflix marathons, or creating that photo-ready room aesthetic everyone envies. It's ultra-soft, thick, and built to last. Once you run your hand across this fur, you'll know you're not going back to ordinary blankets again. It's the statement piece that transforms your space from simple to stunning. It's not just decor, it's a lifestyle, luxury, warmth, comfort, style, all wrapped into one must-have throw. Each one is handcrafted right here in the USA, which means supply is limited. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if you've been waiting to elevate your space and wrap yourself in pure luxury, this is your moment. Don't wait another minute to bring this level of elegance into your home. Click that link, order your faux fur luxury throw now, and experience what true comfort feels like before you miss out. Luxury isn't just seen, it's felt. Treat yourself. You deserve it. Click the link below to order now.